back with a grocery haul. It's been a minute. I think my last grocery haul was when it was still warm outside. I went to the grocery store today. I spent $200. This was basically a husband and baby haul. I went to the grocery store right before that and got a bunch of stuff for me, and my husband was basically like, I'm upset. So I had to go back and get a bunch of his favorite things and stock up on some stuff for Anne. With stuff that I buy for Anne, it's mostly like quick stuff because I have to send her to school with a lunch, and I want those things to be easy to whip up. And then with Anthony, of course, he's a meat eater, so his stuff is going to be a lot of meat. So anyway, let's get into this haul. So I went to Jewel's. I don't typically go grocery shopping at Jewel's, but where we live now, it's like the closest grocery store, so I just go there. First things first, I got this pomegranate juice, you guys. I was in the store FaceTime with my mom, and I was like, pomegranate juice is like $10 for a liter. It's just really expensive. Anyway, I got this quick life water because I'm gonna drink this right now. I'm so thirsty. I also got 3 cases of water. They were 3 24 packs for $9. So that was good. And then I needed to stock up on my extra virgin olive oil, you guys. I pretty much use this in every meal that I cook. I can't think of anything else that I use more than extra virgin olive oil. I also got some marinara sauce. I find myself always picking this up when I go to the store because Anne loves it on her pastas, and we always make pasta, so there's always a reason to use marinara. Next, I got a couple of jugs of this Mott's toddler juice. So I just got the one in the flavor apple raspberry and then the typical apple one. Next, because I'm gonna be making a lobster cream sauce dish for my husband at some point this week, I picked up some heavy whipping cream. No, this is just regular whipping cream, not heavy. But yeah, I make a cream sauce from scratch, and I always use whipping cream for that. And I got a fruit cup with mandarin oranges for Anne. She loves oranges, she loves fruit. It's organic vegetable medley. It's pretty much just cauliflower, broccoli, and baby carrots. I steam these, and I can have them with any kind of seasoning that I want, so they can taste like anything I want them to taste like. So I love getting those little medleys. I got a quick avocado because I'll probably have this in a little while. And then I got some parsley because I'm gonna be making an angel hair pasta dish probably tonight, and I like to make my own like sort of kind of vinaigrette, mostly just a flavored kind of oil to go with the pasta. So I'm gonna do like parsley, some extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice freshly squeezed from the lemon, and then just like some seasoning, and I'll just kind of toss the pasta in that, and then I'll top it with whatever meat my husband wants for dinner. So then I got my lemon for that. Yeah, so I'll probably do shrimp with the pasta dish I was describing. So I did get these 16 to 20 count raw easy peel shrimp that I'll just toss in there to make it real easy. Girl, my husband loves meals like that because he thinks that he is at the restaurant or something. Honey, he absolutely loves it. And then speaking of him, I did get some of this organic grass-fed ground beef in case we do any meatballs or any like lasagna or spaghettis or anything. This is always a good find. I almost never buy the ground beef in the sort of butcher's packaging just because I don't know what the beef was fed. And so I really like getting this kind because I already know what it was fed. It was fed grass, it says it right there. My mom was asking me, I was FaceTiming her when I was in the store, and she was asking me what is the difference between like the grass fed and the other stuff. I was basically just telling her you want to ensure that the cows were fed the way they were naturally intended to be fed, which is with grass and not like corn and all that other stuff. So she was like, oh. So yeah, I got some more salmon. I'm always buying salmon, it's Anthony's favorite fish. A couple of lobster tails, which I think will be great in a pasta dish for him. These were really cheap. This is only 11 bucks. Then I just got a couple beef tenderloin steak fillets, filet mignon, and Anthony loves this. Finally, for meats, some chicken drumsticks. Anthony loves the legs and the thighs of the chicken. He does not care about the breasts. Clearly. And then for myself, since we're probably gonna have like that pasta with the light sauce tonight for dinner, I got some Sauvignon Blanc. One of my favorites, some baby arugula. I'll probably do like a salmon salad for Anthony. I think I did, I don't think I did, I know I did a salmon salad in one of my Vlogmas vlogs. It was kind of like a deconstructed salmon salad with a medium boiled egg and, you know, the vinaigrette and all that stuff. So he loved it. So I'm gonna do that again. I got some steak sliced mushrooms. I believe these are portobellos. No, they're not portobellos, but whatever, these mushrooms. And I always get blueberries and raspberries. You guys know that for my smoothies. And then also Anne just likes to eat them as a snack. sweet tomatoes on the vine. I love, these are such a treat. I love getting these. Great for salads, great for my avocado toast, and great in pasta dishes and just in general. Oat nut bread, whole grain bread for Anne's little toast and her grilled cheeses and all that stuff. And speaking of cheese, I got some Parmesan shredded cheese for tonight's pasta dish. And then for tonight's pasta dish, I'm just gonna be using some angel hair. I love angel hair, guys. It's probably my favorite pasta to have like on a plate, you know what I'm saying? So I got a cucumber because I am going to make some cucumber lime water, which is my favorite way to drink water, if that makes any sense. And then I just got some baby red potatoes because Anthony loves potatoes. And then my lime for my lime water. And then I talked about grilled cheese for Anne. So, right, I got some Gouda for that, see if she likes the Gouda. And for her, I also got these toaster sticks for her quick breakfast when she's on her way to school. And sometimes she actually has her breakfast at school, so I like to send her to school with something that's really easy for the teachers and stuff to be able to put together for her. So I got her these soft sticks. It's basically the pretzel bread with some cheese on the inside. And then I wanted her to try these toaster strudels because quick breakfast. The last bag here, I picked up some sweet potato fries. These are the crinkle cut ones just for Anne, and sometimes I like to have these with like my bean burgers and stuff. I could always make the fries from scratch with a sweet potato. It really does not take that long, to be honest. But I went ahead and picked that one up because, again, I can send those to school with her and they're easy to prepare. I also got this tortellini. It's just like a classic cheese tortellini. My husband has to have breakfast, honey. He loves like an old style country type breakfast. So we always get these simply potatoes because they are pretty much easy to prepare. And it goes great with like his pancakes, his eggs, his bacon, sausage, whatever it is that he wants. This is a great side item for that. And then I got Anne these black bean sliders. These are actually not bad. The White Castle frozen section convenient meals, they actually are not bad. But you guys, I don't know if you've tried the Impossible Burger yet at White Castle's, vegan, plant-based or not. You guys gotta try it because it is absolutely delicious. It is very good. It's probably one of the better plant-based fast food items that I've ever had. It's very tasty. And then Anne also loves turkey bacon, you guys. She's become a fan. My mom gave her some during one of their little slumber parties one morning, and she called me up and she's like, Vaughn, Anne is tearing this turkey bacon up. You gotta get her some more. So she sent her home with the pack that she had. And this is my second time buying it, and she really likes it. I only give her like one piece at a time, but she really loves it. Okay, well that is it, you guys. That's it for my quick grocery haul. I just wanted to share some food meal type ideas, you guys, with you all. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, hit me up with a comment or something. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerheads get blown.